In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add location link in Canva invitation. By the end, your guests will be able to click the address on your invite and open the exact location in Google Maps, which makes getting directions quick and stress-free. Start by opening your invitation design in Canva. Add a text box in the spot where you want the venue information to appear. Type the full, precise address of the venue, include the street number, street name, city, state or region, and postal code. The more complete the address, the better Google Maps will understand it. Keep the formatting clean and easy to read. You can style the font and color to match your design. And it's fine if the address wraps onto multiple lines. It will still act as a single link after we attach it. Now switch to your web browser and open Google Maps. Search for the venue by name or paste the address you just typed. Zoom in and double-check that the pin is exactly where the entrance or event location is. Accuracy here matters because this is where your guests will be guided. Click Share. Then copy the link that Google Maps provides. That URL is what we'll embed in your design. Head back to Canva. Highlight the entire address text you typed earlier. In the top toolbar, click the link icon that looks like a chain, paste the Google Maps URL, and apply it. If you only highlight part of the address, only that portion will be clickable. So make sure the whole address is selected. You should see a subtle indication that the text is linked, even if it doesn't change color. Use Canva's preview to test the link. Clicking it should open the exact Google Maps location in a new tab. When you are ready to export, download the invitation as a PDF standard. This is essential. Links won't stay active if you export as PNG or JPG images. In the download panel, choose PDF standard as the file type and export your file. Avoid options that flatten the PDF, since flattening can remove hyperlinks. Open the exported PDF on your computer or phone and click the address to confirm it jumps to the correct map location. Keep in mind that clickable links work in digital PDFs. If you print the invite, the link won't be clickable on paper. And that's all. Thanks for watching.